to my channel. Welcome back to yet another vlog. Today is a Thursday morning, and basically, as you guys can see by the title, I'm taking you guys along with me to go get, cute. But anyway, it's been a very rough and weird morning because first of all, we don't have water. Guys, lucky for us, we had storage, but then we had to go and heat it up so we can bath, and it was just the whole process. But it's okay. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm going to the container market. I'm gonna get my hands and feet done. And guys, one thing about me, I do my nails for special occasions because I don't know, it's just not within my monthly budget. It's just not within my monthly budget at the current moment. So yeah, I do my nails for special occasions, and the occasion this time is my aunt's wedding. And yeah, so I need to go do my hair. It's been a minute. It doesn't look bad though. It doesn't look bad. I've just been washing it and treating it at home for the past 2 weeks. And yeah, so I'm gonna do that now. I'm gonna quickly go make myself a wrap because I'm hungry, and then have some tea, go to the salon, and then I have a class. So guys, there's a lot going on. Well, you guys know I have my tea. How, guys? Let me give you the tea. Actually, this lady, I was supposed to be here at 7:30, right? Mind you, my appointment was for 9:30. Then I cancelled it because I realized I have a class at 10:30. Anyway, that's besides the point. So now it's 8 o'clock. I'm here, and she's been rushing me to get here, only to find that she's not here. Like, it's not even open. Like, gille na. I'm gonna show you guys around the place and show you guys what they have here. They actually have quite a few salons and whatnot. So basically, check online on Instagram, which is cheaper. And I'm basically getting my feet and my nails. I'm done for $350 both. So, and the other lady was charging me $400 for my hands only. I was like, no, that's not me. That's not my budget. Nope. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then I'm just gonna show you where it's located and what they have. I just finished doing my nails and I was tempted to go buy the pap and the vorsne, but I'm late. Well, not really. It's 11:30 and my class is at 12:30. So I guess I'm gonna go. But yeah, that's minus one thing. I'm probably gonna do my nails, my hair later. At school and I don't want to wait for the Hatfield bus because I don't know what time it's gonna come, and it's basically 10 to 12 and my class is at 12:30. So I was like, I don't know when this bus is coming, let me just get off here by Linwood Road. And yeah, so basically I'm going to campus now. I'm gonna have a few classes up until 3:30 and then I'm probably gonna go do my hair. So I have classes now until 3:30 and then I'm gonna go ahead and go do my hair because tomorrow there's no time. I need to do the laundry, there's no water, guys, there's a lot going on. These are problems I didn't plan for. I'm gonna start using this entrance in the morning because why? It's closer to the library side. The other one, it's a long walk. Langwa, you walk you walk. So this one is closer to the library and I like the fact that like that's the gate. The library is literally just right there and then I just finished on campus with all my classes. I got some food with Kabelo and we also got ice cream. So I'm basically going to the salon now to go do my hair because I have a class tomorrow at 10. So I'm not gonna manage time wise, and I think we're leaving by 5:30. I don't know, but guys, my skin is breaking out. Ooh. Guys, not my skin breaking out, like how's it gonna look when I now have to put makeup on and I'm falling asleep? I just want to go home. I'm tired, but let's go. I'm gonna finish tired. It's been a long week. Actually so tired, but yeah, I'm just gonna continue. I'm gonna do my hair and I'm not closing off the vlog now because you guys will see.
Go deep, no sleep, all night. Go deep, go deep,
The same time as my mom and my sister, and honestly speaking, I'm happy with my hair. I'm gonna close off the vlog here, and then I will see you guys. I will see you guys when I get my makeup done.